Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Jylla Meghalaya hagasngi ba jong katayo kalayo do ulan ubanang ban Kren ni kaktin English daga jingbam Smai jong Chandrasekhar H Vijayashankar Haraj Bhavan ya Vijayashankar lapan bam Smai do Chief Justice ka Meghalaya High Court Justice S Vedyanathan hakajingelang kabalingkon hagani kasngi lawan ban sakhilang do menteri rangba ka Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangba ki sembut menteri rangba ki menteri sorkar ki MLA ki hek sorkar ki hek sipai but hek pulit harengkat ki wei ka presiden kala thong ya Vijayashankar kumulat bathamai bat balami bujli ya uphagu Chauhan ulat bamenta ude MLA MP bat menteri barim naka Jylla Karnataka Ujohan ulalong ulat nado rempang arajar arkusau hadin ba ulasya penkenria nak Raj Bhavan jong ke Jylla Bihar. Ujohan ulasya kinthok jur namar ke jing pemla jong uban Kren nya kaktin English bat uba pena tang kaktin Hindi kababu jing ban yes ngotho.
I, C.H. Vijayashankar,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya
and will do to the best of my ability preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law
and will do the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law.
and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
By virtue of the power vested in me by Article 155 of the Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Shri C.H. Vijayashankar to be the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 27th day of July in the year 2024, with your permission, sir, the proceedings will now be closed.